This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, what is automation testing? Generally, automation testing, okay, automating software activities through automation tool. Okay, automating the software application or product through automation tool. We have different automation tools. Then why we need to go for automation? Okay, example. Okay, Flipkart started a new application. That name is Delcart. Okay, example I am saying here in first day we have okay module 1. Here we started testing. Okay, developers they developed this module and provided test environment. What is the test environment? Test environment is like URL. How we are going to access in through web browser, we are going to access this URL. Example, you can say http facebook.com. This is the URL we are going to access. Right? Same way for testing purpose, they will provide this URL http delcart.com, and also they will provide username and password to access the application. Test 01 test. Okay, they will provide URL and username password. Then as a tester, we'll start testing the application. Okay, if you see here, okay, this is the electronics module. Under this we have different categories. Okay, let me click this electronics. Nothing is happening. I will do one thing. Okay, I will go to the sub modules. Okay, again sub modules we have, and these are the things: mobile accessories, IT accessories. Okay, best of electronics, mobiles, mobile accessories, laptops, then speakers, featured. These are the sub modules again. Okay, under mobiles, if I am going to click on MI, I should navigate to the MI products page. These are the products we are going to see. We'll check each and everything is working fine or not. Check this filter. Okay, try with a different combination. Some people what they will do, right? Okay, they will check this combination 10,000 to 15,000. Yes, it is working fine. They won't check remaining things. Okay, what will happen after deploying application? If someone they are going to apply the filter, okay, 20,000 to 30,000, it is not working. What they will do, they will raise a defect. At that time what will happen? Okay, you forgot to test that filter option. That's why be careful whenever you are testing any functionality. You need to try with all combinations. Okay, don't think that developer it is this option is working fine. Okay, remaining options should may work fine. Don't imagine like that. Whenever you are testing any functionality, You need to click in each and every product like this. Okay, after clicking first option, yes. Second option, it is opening in new tab like this. You need to check each and every option manually. Okay, here product name is same. Here, see product name is same like this. You need to check each and every functionality working fine or not. Manually, it will take time. Okay, that's why manual testing nowadays most of the people they are reducing. We are moving to the automation testing. Okay, automating the software application or product through automation tool. There is no human intervention here. Once you are automating, you can execute this thing. Okay. What happened? People are messaging in group. Okay. Well, we started testing this application. Under this, we have 100 test cases. Okay, manually, total 5 team members we have. Okay, here total 5 team members we have to test this module. What they will do, they will share 20 test case per head, and they will test each and every functionality with all filters, product details, then add to cart like that. Okay, day one we identified, okay, a couple of people they identified 5 defects. Okay, they reported. Number one, okay, filter 20,000 to 30,000 is not working. In product details page, name is mismatch. Unable to apply coupon. Okay, see, whenever you are testing application, right, you need to test thoroughly. Okay, don't imagine that if one option is working, other options also work. You need to ensure if anything identified in production, right, okay, that will be escalation for you. They will inform that this person is not testing properly. Some people they will fire the Java as well. Okay, a lot of incidents happen. That's why whenever you are testing anything, okay, focus on that. Then try with different combinations as well. Then user able to apply coupon for apply expired coupons. Okay, actually what will happen? System should not allow the expired coupons in product details page. What will happen? Okay, everyone even they will try to use these expired coupons. That is loss, right? Once the coupon expired means it should not allow user to apply that coupon. Still, if it is not working means then that is the defect. User unable to get the product after payment. Okay, one of the e-commerce application, what happened, right? Okay, even I worked in that application, that is Tiffany. This is the application. Okay, This application is developed for the employees. Okay, they will provide gifts and all. If any employee they completed 1 year anniversary, they will get one gift based on their eligibility and experience. Then 2 years experience, they will get different one. They developed this application. Okay, they can order without paying any money for free of cost. What they did, one employee he ordered 5 years employee. Okay, he ordered one product. Then 1 year employee also he ordered one product. He completed 5 years in that company. What they did, right? Okay, they sent product to the 1 year guy, 5 years guy product to the 1 year guy, 1 year product guy to the 5 years guy. They interchanged. That is defect only. Before releasing, they did not check it properly. They checked whether if user able to do product checkout or not. Okay, this is the application I worked in this project. Then they found these issues. They escalated. Okay, your team not tested properly. Then they hand out to the another team. Okay, please test properly. We found lot of defects in this. Okay, then we went even Saturdays and Sundays as well. Then we tested thoroughly. Then we hand out this one. Okay, before testing any application, before releasing any application, we need to test that for thoroughly. These are the five defects. They executed all 100 test cases. Then they identified these five defects. They reported these defects. While how to log the defect and all, I think you noticed, you watched this manual testing videos, right? In that, they detailed explained how to log the defect. What are the steps we need to mention? Okay, I will share even URLs as well. Please go through and try to understand. Manual testing is very important. Okay, 90% if you are getting job in Selenium also, they will keep you in manual testing initially. You need to know how to write the test cases, then how to execute, how to log the defect. Then you can say daily stand up call will be there before starting. Okay, your work is going to start by 9 o'clock to 6 p.m., right? Morning 9 to 6 p.m. Then morning quickly 9 to 9:10 we have meeting with the team. Entire team will join there. Yesterday what work we completed, you need to say in high level quickly. Don't go in detail. Okay, I executed this many test cases. I found this many issues. I logged defect. Give high level. Okay, yesterday I worked on electronics module. I identified one defect. That's it. Today I am going to continue with the same electronics module. If you are unable to log in, right? Okay, yesterday I thought of starting testing with electronics module, but I am unable to log in with the credentials. That is blocker for me. I did not perform any testing activities because this is a blocker. I am unable to log into the application. That's why I did not perform any testing activities. You can say that as well. Sometimes environment will be down. Developers they will keep on changing the deployments for providing testing environment. It will take time sometimes. Okay, you will get enough time. Focus on the things what you are testing properly. Suppose while executing these 100 test cases, if you are unable to identify any defects, right? Next time while giving, again they will deploy the application. They will deploy the electronics module again after fixing issue. This time again we are going to execute the 100 test cases. Again 100 test cases we need to execute and verify. Don't think that okay, these five test cases I will execute, whatever I reported, right? This defect that won't work. Okay, in manual testing, even automation also daily basis we need to execute all 100 test cases. Sometimes what will happen, developers, they will try to fix this issue and they will do some code change in here as well. That will impact here. You need to ensure, okay, there won't be any impact on existing functionalities. That's why you need to ensure, again, you need to execute all 100 test cases. The testing is very interesting one as well as boring as well, manual testing, okay. Again, keep on, you need to test the application, same functionality, same 100 test cases. After 1 month, what will happen? They will keep on adding the test cases. Now it became 1,000 test cases. Okay, if we are going to release this electronics module to the market, that is live. Testing, say, we can say production. What they will do? People started working. They will give orders in electronics module. For that, we need to execute 1,000 test cases manually. Then now what happened? 5 members, 200 test cases per day. They need to execute. Is it possible? It is possible also. We can't test properly. Randomly, we will check. We'll select some test cases, and we are going to execute, and we'll release to the market. By mistakenly, if you are not tested all these 200, all 1,000 test cases, you don't have enough time. Then in production, they will identify the defects. They will report to the product team. Okay. Again, what will happen? See, any production issue means that means customer, they are unable to buy any product. That will impact on the business. Then this product team, they will fire the testing team. First, they will catch this testing team. Yeah, developers also responsibility, okay, but they are completely occupied with the work. They will make the functionality in working condition. In that, they will forget few things. Even deployment also sometimes issue. They won't deploy complete code because of hurry. But they will catch the testing team. This product team, they will catch testing team. What you tested. This is very some escalations. Okay, immediately they will terminate in same day as well. Some people they will give chance. Okay, yeah, this is first time. Ignore this. Going forward, uh, don't repeat this. Okay. In this scenario, what will happen? Right, it is difficult to test manually. That's why we are using automation tools. Okay, every time, whatever test cases, we will complete manual part. Immediately, we are going to automate the same test cases. We are going to automate using automation tools. We have different tools in market like Selenium. Selenium, why it is crazy? Because open source, no need to pay any money. Then UFT is there. This is also one automation tool. Most of the people they are using. That depends on clients. Okay, this is paid one. If you are going to use this software to automate the application, yearly we need to pay 10 lakhs. Pay 10 lakhs for the software license. Then we have Ranorex. Then Tosca. Lot of tools we have in market. Okay, but majorly they are going to use these two. These two are leading in market. Okay, already I am the owner of SBA application. I am spending money for application development. Then further I don't have money to buy this software license. So what I will do, I will hire the another team, okay, which they are going to test the application by using Selenium. Can you please test my application? Okay, I will pay you 10 lakhs for this. But even for testing also, okay, in market they are paying nicely. Okay, I will give this project to the any small company like Signity. Mm, okay, here development is happening. Where development is happening? In TCS, development is happening. Testing I gave to the Signity team. Yeah, nowadays people are doing that as well. One company they are doing the development. One company they are giving the for testing purpose. Okay, some people they will do both in same organization. Testing plus development. Okay, different kinds. They are different things they are trying. Even recently, what happened, right? HCL they removed 300 resources. That means they fired, okay, fired 300 resources in single day. Whoever like they are working for Microsoft project. Microsoft is one of the client like HCL. Okay, Microsoft they had taken this project. Okay, they are not able to test this properly. They are unable to develop this properly. They waited for a couple of years. Then simply they had taken this project. They gave to the some other people. These kind of things will happen. Even thousands of resources they will fire in same day because they lost the project. They are unable to get the fund to pay salaries. Okay. Even yesterday news they are saying that Accenture they are planning to fire 5% of their employees. Now all over world they are having 5 lakh employees. 5% that means in 5 lakh how much? Around 10% means okay 50,000. 5 but 25,000 they are planning to remove 25,000 employees. Even in newspaper also you can see this. Yesterday only they informed. We don't know exact reason. Okay, they gave this advertisement Accenture. Okay, that's why whenever release is there, it is difficult to test total 1,000 test cases. Whenever we are completing this first set of test cases, right? First set of 100 test cases. First we will complete manual testing. Then immediately we will automate the same. Now, okay, again we are getting another 100 test cases. Developers, okay, again they give the new functionality. That is, we can take another module here. home and furniture. This is the another functionality. They are going for testing purpose. It contains and again 100 test cases. Now no need to test this first 100 test cases because we automated this. Okay. Now we are going to save the time. We will concentrate on test this new 100 test cases. No need to test this 100 test cases, old one. Because already we automated using tool. We are going to reduce the time. Like this, so these test cases keep on, they will increase. They will keep on add the features. Then we need to test this feature. Nowadays you can see ads, right? Mintra.com, some other .coms. Okay, same as e-commerce only. These are e-commerce applications. You need to know the domain as well. Okay, what kind of application I'm testing. SBA means banking domain. Then LIC means insurance domain. Okay. Now, okay, 1,000 test cases we need to be automated as well. But you need to execute in single day. In single day, using single machine system, we can't execute 1,000 test cases using single system or browser. We can't execute total 1,000 test cases. 10,000. In this case, what we will do? We'll do parallel execution by using automation tool. Parallel execution means at a time I am going to execute my script in multiple browsers or single system, multiple browsers. This is whatever I am representing, right? That is one laptop. Single system means, okay, you can take any laptop or computer. Multiple browsers. Multiple browser means I can open at a time 10 browsers. Then I will save these 1,000 test cases across these 10 browsers. Or we have another option, multiple systems with multiple browsers. Okay, so that we can reduce the time and we can test 1,000 test cases within less time. Automation testing, okay, average if you take, right, per hour we can execute 100 to 150 test cases per hour. Okay, if you are automating, right, some test cases may be complex, some test cases medium, then small as well. It is average count I'm saying. Even interview they will ask you, okay, total you have 1,000 test cases, right? How much time it will take to execute all 1,000 test cases? You can say this, okay, it will take around 10 test cases if it is single system. Parallel execution means we can complete within 4 hours. That based on how many browsers you are using. You need to know all these things, okay, why we are going for automation, when we can use this. Okay, now Flipkart I am going to test this in Chrome browser. Same Flipkart I need to test in here. Where is this? Where I found the Edge browser. Where, okay, in same Edge browser also I need to test the Flipkart application, both electronics module. What will happen? Again, it is effort, right? It is time taking. But some people they will use Chrome. Some people they will use this one, Firefox, Safari. Okay, you need to ensure that based on the client requirement. Some clients they will inform, okay, this application should be, this application should support for all versions of browsers, all versions of Chrome browsers, whether it is downgraded one, upgraded one, current one. You need to ensure. Some people they will inform this application should support for multiple browsers like Chrome latest version, then Firefox, Safari, Opera, Edge browser. This is their requirement. You need to ensure. See, now 1,000 test cases we need to execute all these browsers. Manually it is difficult, right? 1,000 we need to sit with testing each and every functionality. With manual it is impossible to test all 1,000 test cases in all browsers. It will take months. Okay, that's why simply we can create the automation suite. Why I am saying suite? Suite is combination of multiple test cases. Combination of test cases. Yeah, we have automation tool suite. Okay, daily we are going to execute the automation suite. Okay, now we are going to see what is Selenium. Here it is. Selenium is one of the open source automation tool. Selenium is used to automate web browsers or web-based application. Okay, see here, this is Chrome, right? This is the web browser. Through internet, I am going to access. This is the application I am going to test in web browser. Okay, example, if you take calculator, right? See this calculator. This is desktop application or Windows application. We cannot test this calculator using Selenium. Only web-based applications, okay, which can access through browser. This application we can able to automate. Desktop applications like calculator, then notepad, Excel workbooks, okay, whatever installed in system, right? We cannot test that. Only web-based application which we are accessing through browser we can able to test. Even in interview they will try to confuse you, okay, whether Selenium support to automate desktop-based applications or Windows-based application. Okay, you can say that Selenium won't support. If you want to automate, you can go for third-party tools. We need to integrate with Selenium. Yes, we have features, not exactly Selenium. Selenium won't support. We can go with third-party tools. Selenium is used for only to test web-based applications. Okay, this is the thing you can able to see. Open source. Why I'm saying open source? No need to pay any money. Okay, we have good support as well. We will get good support from the people who posting in. Okay, they are active. Suppose if you are getting any issue, I'm going to the Google, how to handle hidden elements in Selenium. You can type this here. See, these are the things you need to know. Okay, Always try to go here. Okay, Stack Overflow is there. Here you will get proper solutions. Go here and see how to click hidden element in Selenium Web. Someone posted this one long ago. Okay, 2 years, 11 months ago he posted. Okay, even 8 years, 8 months. Okay, which is old one. You can see the solutions here. 7 answers provided. Okay, we can use JavaScript executor to click this. You will get good support from the people, especially Stack Overflow. Okay, here we have only limited solutions and try to check. Okay, browser automation, hidden elements using Selenium. Here also, even browsers also you will get support. Only thing you need to know, okay, how they implemented, how we are going to utilize this solution in your project. You need to know that. Okay, you will get proper support here. How to handle hidden elements, how to handle lot of things are there. How to element displayed and hides within like this. We have proper support as well. Okay. Then what is Selenium Suite? It is combination of multiple tools like Selenium One. This is the first thing they released, Selenium IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Okay, this is the first thing they released, okay, into market, version one. It is kind of plugin in browser which we can record and play back the browser. Okay, we can record and play back again. This is the old one. Okay, some people still they are using, and also this is very useful. Okay, to identify some complex elements. I will tell you how we are going to use this Selenium IDE. Go here. Let me start initially. Open Chrome browser. Here, type Selenium IDE plugin. Okay, here this is the first one we have. It will go to extensions. I am going to add this uh, extension to the browser. Then it will ask you. Now see, it added one extension here, Selenium IDE. Okay, this is the symbol for extensions. If you click here, here you can see the Selenium IDE. Now what it is saying, record a new test in new project. Some people still they are using, non-technical people still they are using this Selenium IDE. Record, okay, project name I am giving Flipkart. Okay, then URL, which URL you want to automate. This is the URL. Without HTTP, you can't able to access any URL. Flipkart.com. Start recording. It will open the application here. Now I am going to click on fashion. It is not performing anything. Okay, I will search for the product iPhone. Click on search icon. Select the first item. Then close this. Okay, if you notice here, each and everything is recording. See here. Open browser. Okay, fine. That is the URL we are opening. Then setting window size. These are the elements we are clicking. Each and everything it is capturing. See, Still it is recording. Then I'm going to stop recording. I will give the record. Then if I want to execute, I can do like this. Run all tests. It will open the browser. See, it is searching iPhone. What is happening here? It is unable to click this element. Up to here, these comments are passing. We typed iPhone in search bar. Then it is unable to click this element. You can highlight this as well, where exactly this issue is getting. Okay, but don't use this one for automating the scripts. I will tell you where we are going to use this Selenium IDE. I'm going to close this. Yes, you need to know how to use this Selenium IDE, adding this extension. In some organization, they won't allow to add any extension. Close this. Okay, this is about Selenium IDE. It is just a playback, record and playback tool. That's it. We are going to add this in. Now, earlier, okay, initially in 2015, up to 2015 and all, okay, we can able to access only in Chrome browser. Now they release that extension in all browsers, like Firefox, then Internet Explorer. In all browsers, we can able to access this Selenium IDE. Initially, they released only for Chrome browser. Now we have all extensions. Then later they released Selenium 2. A lot of disadvantages we have. We can't able to write any Java code logics, nothing. Okay, this is just a record and playback tool. You can't add proper validations here. That's why they released Selenium RC. This is remote control. This is version 2. What happened, right? Okay, Selenium, if you see exact Selenium RC, okay, here you can take any. Okay, this is our code. I'm going to write this code using Selenium Java in Eclipse. Then this is the server. I need to start and stop every time. If I want to execute my script, I need to start this Selenium server. This Selenium server, it will try to send commands to the browsers. These are the browsers. See the direction? Through code, we are going to send command to the Selenium server. Then from server, we are going to send command to the browsers. Every time, if you want to execute your scripts, you need to start this server. After execution, we are going to stop the server. Okay, this server is a mediator between our code and okay. This is the architecture. Okay, this is still we have a lot of disadvantages in this Selenium RC. Now no one is using this. This is deprecated one because it won't support for mobile automation as well. Selenium RC, and every time you need to start server, sometimes stop server. You will get exceptions as well while executing scripts. That's why they deprecated this. Then now we are using latest version Selenium WebDriver. You can say version 3 as well. And in this one, Selenium 3 WebDriver. Now we are going to learn this WebDriver. WebDriver they designed as a interface. We have implemented classes like Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver. Okay, these are the implemented classes we have. Now WebDriver is the latest one, okay, version 3. If you see the architecture, Selenium WebDriver architecture, now there is no server. And also you need to know how this exactly going to work. Okay, you can take best example. Yeah, this one. See here, these are the Selenium bindings. Okay, we are going to have this jar files. Then through JSON wire protocol, it is going to send command to the browser driver. For each and every browser, we need to have this exe file. I will tell you how to download. It will give the HTTP command to the browser. Once command executed, it will give the feedback. Okay, I executed this command, entering URL, enter username, enter password. Like this, it is going to send command through JSON wire protocol. It is going to work. This is the architecture. If anyone nowadays, no one is asking, can you please draw the architecture? Only when before lockdown, okay, if you are attending any interview, they use it to give pen and paper. Can you please draw the Selenium architecture? How and then explain me how it is going to work. Nowadays, just they are asking in calls itself. Uh, this is the architecture. We have Selenium bindings or Selenium jar files, and through JSON wire protocol, we are going to interact with browser drivers. From browser drivers to the real browser. Okay, don't go in depth. Okay, this is high level. You can explain. Then this JSON inside JSON wire protocol. What are the commands we have? Don't okay. I don't know the complete implementation. I know how to automate the browser using Selenium. You can say that. Okay. Now we don't have any Selenium server here. Earlier we saw right Selenium RC architecture. There without Selenium server we are not going to execute any commands. Now they changed the complete implementation. Uh, they generated these jar files and they added this extra exe files, driver exe files. Okay. What is Selenium? Should still people are asking this interview question. What is Selenium? Selenium is one of the open source automation tool. Selenium is used to automate web-based applications. You can say this directly, okay? Web-based application. Then what are the advantages of Selenium? By using Selenium, we can automate most of the web-based applications. Um, then what are the disadvantages? Selenium won't generate any reports. We need to integrate with third-party tool. Selenium won't support for desktop-based applications. Then Selenium, okay, by using Selenium, we cannot automate the capture, where capture is there, right? Okay. Suppose if you see any application, you will get this capture. This is capture. Okay, I'm not robot. If you are selecting this, you need to select some images. Can you please select the images which contains trees, which contains signals. This kind of capture we cannot automate using Selenium like this. Then OTP, you will get OTP, right? Okay. Suppose if you are doing any transaction, you will get OTP to the mobile. You cannot automate that as well. Few limitations we have in Selenium. Okay, it will support only web-based application, but it is free of cost. We can automate thousands of test cases. Once if you are starting right automation execution, it will keep on executing the scripts. Okay, I don't know whether I am having scripts or not. This is new Selenium version. I need to check. Selenium is object model. I think long ago I prepared it. I don't know whether it will work or not. Let's see whether it will work or not. Right click run as testing it test. Whatever actions we are doing right manually, okay, open browser, enter URL. Yeah, this is the old version I'm having. This is the old version Chrome. Okay, let me change this version. Let me delete this Chrome driver exe. No, we can't able to delete because we started this. Task manager. Let me check this task manager. Mm, Chrome driver. Okay, first we need to end the task here. Now we are going to delete this because this is the old project I automated earlier. At that time we had 98 version. Browser version is 98. That's why we downloaded this Chrome driver exe. Okay, I will tell you how to create this project, how to create this skeleton and all. Just I am showing how this automation is going to work. Okay, no need to worry. Again, I will tell you how to download this exe files as well. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to add the jar code. Now version is 107. For this one, we need to download the exact Chrome driver download. See here, this is the first one you need to go with Chrome driver.chromium.org. Here you can see the version. We older version is 106. Now we need to download this 107. We have 108 as well. Now see, these are the things. If you are using Linux machine, you need to download this. Mac, you need to download. Then if it is Windows means they created only one zip file that is, it will support for both 32-bit as well as 64-bit. You need to download this. This is the zip file. So folder Control X. I am going to cut from here and keep in desktop, or I am going to extract here. Right click, extract all. Now you can see the exe file, right? Copy this exe file, go to the folder, paste here. Now we got latest version and see whether it will work or not. Run as. Okay. To open the browser URL, I think they changed this application. Earlier we have different version. Now you can see different version. Earlier we don't have any design like this and all. This is the username and password. For testing purpose, they created this. You can use this as well. You see here, here admin we have. Then if you want to create any user, you can create a user. If you want to apply any leave, you can apply leave as well. This is one application for testing purpose they created. Then log out. Okay. This application entirely changed. Okay. Whenever application is changing, right, you need to update your script as well. Otherwise, it will get failed like this. I will try to check any other application. Exam number. Again, I need to delete this driver here. Nothing is there. Mm, Copy this, paste here, and try to execute whether it will work or not. Like this, we can automate any application. This is another application, AGO. Okay, here we are clicking, entering laptops, then we are searching. This is one test case. Okay, clicked on search value. See, we are getting the first five products prices. Okay, we are getting first five product prices. From that, we are getting the maximum price of the product. This is the maximum price. Okay, in these are the things they asked in interview. Okay, maximum number, laptop price. You need to print the laptop prices. Laptop prices. Lot of scenarios they will ask you. For one of the interview, they will ask this scenario. Can you please enter in search, right? Okay, if you see it is entering laptops, then it is going to retrieve the laptop details. See, total 45 items we have here. But this application is working differently. Okay, even it closed the browser as well. Like this, we are going to automate. Suppose I have 1,000 items. I want to know uh, which item is having the more price. We can do that as well. Anything we can automate. Okay, but you need to know the core Java logic. Then only you can able to automate. Without core Java concepts, you cannot able to automate this. See, we are using for loop. Then list also we are using. Then if condition we are using like this. We are using string methods as well. Replace all method. Okay, whenever you are calling getText method, it will return string. That's why we are storing a string. Whatever we learned, right, we are going to use the same thing. Okay, we have a lot of application to test. We'll take one application. Okay, then we'll start testing that application. We'll try to automate how to inspect element, what are the locators we have, how to download the jar files. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to automate the applications. Okay, see you tomorrow. Please go through this so that you will come to know what is happening in software industry, how to test the application.